Which was the first modern bank in India? It is difficult to say, but Madras was the very first colony established by the British in India, so it may be a good place to look for clues about the beginnings of banks. In the late 1600s, most banks here were family-run, but the East India Company needed more capital to finance its trade and to fund its wars. So they decided to set up their own banks. The first in the series was the Madras Bank, established in 1683. Soon, others followed. But the company's business was booming and it needed larger banks. So in 1843, some of the banks in Madras Presidency were merged to form the Bank of Madras. In 1897, the Bank of Madras moved to its new headquarters. This majestic building with elegant minarets and arches. It is one of the finest Indo-Saracenic structures in India. At the time, there were only two other similarly large banks in India, the Bank of Calcutta and the Bank of Bombay. In 1921, these three banks merged to form the Imperial Bank of India, which for a time also doubled up as India's central bank. After independence, this bank was nationalized as the State Bank of India. So this building, which was at different times three different banks, is one of the oldest banks in existence in India. In 2014, a fire broke out in the building, destroying its top floors. The bank was vacated, but sadly, this beautiful landmark of the city with its iconic history still awaits restoration.